Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. In this video, we'll talk about a common Cash App error called failed for my protection. We'll discuss how to avoid this error and, if you are facing it, how to fix it in detail. When we try to transfer money through Cash App, sometimes the transaction doesn't go through and a message appears, "This payment was cancelled for your protection." Why does this error occur? How can we avoid it? And if this error keeps happening repeatedly, how can we resolve this problem? In this video, we'll share 9 unique solutions to fix this error that you might not have seen elsewhere. So, let's begin. The Cash App error, failed for my protection, is a common issue. If you search on YouTube, you'll find hundreds of videos explaining solutions to this error. However, most of them offer only one solution: recheck your transaction details. But today, in our video, we'll share 9 different methods, and one of them is sure to resolve your issue. To fix this error, we recommend visiting a website called Kabaj Loan Guide. On this site, you'll find hundreds of articles related to Cash App on the right-hand side. One such article is titled "How to Fix Cash App Failed for My Protection, Optimal Solutions." When you scroll down in the article, you'll see an explanation of why this error occurs. Scroll a bit further and you'll find a subheading titled "How to Fix Cash App Failed for My Protection." This section outlines the steps to resolve this error. If you encounter the "failed for my protection" error while attempting a transaction on your Cash App, there are several steps you can take to fix it. Begin by restarting your mobile device and reopening the Cash App to initiate the transaction once again. Should the problem persist, it indicates there might be an underlying issue within your Cash App account. Follow the steps below for a systematic approach to resolving the failed for my protection error. After this, a list of methods is provided to fix the error. Let's go through each one step by step. The first method is check your internet connection. Sometimes this error occurs due to issues with your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi or a VPN, disable them immediately and use mobile data while making transactions through Cash App. This will help avoid the error. The second method is check the bank or card linking status. Ensure that the bank account and debit card linked to your Cash App account are properly linked. Any issues with the linking process can also lead to this error. The third method is verify transaction details. If you enter incorrect transaction details while making a payment on Cash App, you may encounter this error. Always double check the details before proceeding with any transaction. The fourth method is verified bank account. Ensure that the bank account connected to your Cash App is verified. An unverified bank account can also cause this error. The next method is updated app. Keep your Cash App updated regularly. Whenever a new update is available, install it. Using an outdated version of the app can sometimes lead to this error. The next method is avoid suspicious activities. When making a transaction, ensure that you enter the correct PIN and verify step 2 authentication on the first attempt. Repeatedly entering incorrect details may make your activities appear suspicious, leading to this error. The next method is send small amounts. If you're transferring a large amount of money, the Cash App may flag it for security reasons and display this error. Break down the amount into smaller transactions to avoid this issue. The next method is save the recipient in your contacts. If you're transferring money to a number that's not saved in your contacts, the transaction may be considered unauthorized, causing this error. Save the recipient's number in your contact list before initiating the transfer. The final method is contact Cash App support. If none of the above methods work, the last step is to contact Cash App Support directly. Provide detailed information about the issue you're facing and they will help resolve it. So, follow these 9 methods one by one, and one of them is sure to solve your problem. All these methods have been tested by us and are not commonly shared elsewhere. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who use Cash App. If you have some more questions about Cash App or loans, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more such useful content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.